you want to cruise and your partner isn't sure. So in one of my previous videos, I talked about your first cruise planning. And part of that was that I took my wife Ceci on her first cruise. She wanted nothing to do with the planning till she did. And it was frustrating for me to have to backtrack and second guess all of the decisions I had made. I'm a planner. That's what I like to do. I can spend hours going through ship reviews and looking at itineraries and dates and how I'm going to get there, looking at the airfares, which airlines got the better time frame, how I'm going to get my transfer from the airport to the ship and back. All of that stuff I enjoy. I guess that's why I'm a travel advisor, because I like that kind of stuff, and a lot of people don't, including my wife, until she did. So the advice I'd give you is just take it with a grain of salt. They will find a time when they are excited to go, and the questions will come. Be cognizant of their likes and desires while you're planning so some of this can be mitigated. Remember, it's not all about you. Well, I like to think it's all about me, but then never works out that way, does it? And that's okay. I wanted this cruise to be special for her, and it turned out to be amazing. She laughed, smiled. She wasn't terribly thrilled with me in the casino. She sat down and played slots with me once, and she looked up and saw that we're in a bonus and the money's getting bigger and bigger. It's like $400 or $500, and then woohoo, we're gonna have money. And I go, well, this is not about making money. This is about earning enough points for the next cruise. And she looked at me and looked at the money and looked at me and said, no more. So she nixed the rest of that evening in the casino. But other than that, she enjoyed meeting people. We found a Latino bar where other Latinos were dancing, and she was enjoying that. At my age and condition, I don't really dance all that much anymore. And I was glad she found friends that she could talk to and get out there and do her thing. So the point of all of that is be patient, keep their likes and dislikes in mind while you're planning. If you have children, keep that in mind, because that will be a big part of your time, is making sure they're taken care of either in the children's areas, which are available and well worth your money. Most restaurants now have kids menu. So take that all into account. Talk to your friends who have cruised, talk to an advisor, and you'll have one of the best times of your life.